YouTube? I'm Team Midnight and I'm back in this video with the 2020/2021 BMW X3 M40i. Big brakes. They work incredibly well. There's the wheel. There, that's the fender. Actually, is it a fender? No, it's not the fender. It's the trim piece for the X3M. I took out the X3M logo, and I feel it looks better than that stupid little thing. I'll put a picture of what it looks like. I don't think it looks good at all. So a couple of mods that I did to the car. Obviously that one. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Gloss black kidney grills. Looks so much better, I think. Completes the look. I do gotta upgrade these boomerangs. So let's check out comfort access. Right now you can choose to have these fold in and out when you lock or unlock the car. That's how I have it. Press this little ridge right here. See if you see that. And the mirrors electrically fold in. Car is completely locked. And likewise, to open it again, put your hands right here. Boom. The lights flash, it makes that beep. You can also shut off the beep if you want. Mirrors fold out. And sunglasses holder. I use it to keep my my driving gloves though. Yeah. Check out the seats. There you go, M40i Air Performance, baby. Beautiful M Sport seats. Very comfortable and supportive. You can change the bolstering and a whole bunch of other stuff right there. At first I didn't think they were that comfortable, but the more and more I kind of broke them in, I guess. They're incredibly comfortable now. Of course, always drive safely. iDrive 7, best in the business in my opinion. It's iDrive controller right here. It makes such a satisfying noise, doesn't it? Look at this. Listen to it. Such a satisfying sound. Anyway, you can use that. You can also use the touchscreen. Bring down this. You can get different information. You get Apple CarPlay. Android Auto, I believe, is also in there. You can shut off the screen. You get your media. Sirius XM, which I never use, unfortunately. Communication, navigation. Let's check out the navigation. Let's check out the full screen navigation. Hold on. There it is. It's pretty nice. It's not like no Google Earth or whatever, but it's still pretty nice. I love using it. It's easy to use. There's a heads-up display, which you can't see right now. Yeah, it's got the ambient lighting, which you got to see at night. I will show you how it looks at night. It looks amazing. It's in the glove box. It's lined with felt, so things are not going to rattle and roll around in there. You got some cups, flashlight, napkins. You can fit a decent amount of things. It's not too big, but you can fit a decent amount of things. So that's good. Close that up. Here we go. And the panoramic sunroof, which I did not close all the way. Goes all the way back. Nice. Very nice. There's the back, there's the back seat, which we'll check out later. There's a trunk that you can kind of sort of see. We'll also check out later. Microphone for the Hey Siri for the Apple CarPlay. And yeah, see, it works. No Siri, it's all right. Take the day off. Take the day off. Cancel.
I don't know what you mean by take that off.
No, take the. she's okay. That was funny. She thought I said take that off. Okay. Anyway, so you can use the Siri voice command with Apple CarPlay if you have an iPhone, and this microphone also works for, watch this. Hey BMW.
Hello. What can I help you with?
Take me to the nearest Starbucks. I need an iced caramel macchiato. ASAP.
Which one of these destinations should I select?
And you see? Perfect. You can use the iDrive controller and you just pick which one you want to go to. For 2021, they do have the carbon fiber interior trim, which would change this right here. This would change out to carbon fiber. So that's great. Same thing there. We change it to carbon fiber. It would look so much better in my opinion. That's the thing, it annoys the hell out of me, because for 2021 they brought it back. The USB-A port right here, your 2 cup holders. This is a 12 volt, kind of stuck. There you go, 12 volt for your power supplies. In here you see my secret stash. You could, it actually holds a decent amount of stuff. There's USB A and C in there, I believe. It's USB-C. There's one USB-C in there. There's light in there. That's great. Here's the M Sport steering wheel, which is beautiful. I love this freaking wheel. It is amazing. It is heated. M logo down here. It's just so comfortable to hold. It's so comfortable to hold with one hand, with 2 hands. Oh, all right. And we're in. Hey, look, there's a little X right there. Blue stitching. Beautiful. Yeah, it's comfortable back here. I have enough foot room. We're going on a long trip back here. I am perfectly okay with that. I have no problem. LED lights. LED lights back here. There's 2 of them. Look at that. There's one. This one goes more this way. This one goes a little bit more that way. Actually, no, this one goes straight. I'm lying. This one goes straight. This one goes a little more that way. Perfect. Getting out in the back. See, I wish this opened a little bit further. Oh, this is the speaker grill. You know, in the entire year, a little bit over a year that I had this car, I never knew that this was there. This is the first time I'm seeing this, or I'm paying attention anyway. Crazy. All right, there you go. Here's your trunk space. One thing I do not like about the trunk is this thing, this should be raised a little more, because if you put like a box back here and you drove, the box can kind of like slide out when you open it after the drive. I don't like that. It should have been raised. What if there's something I can install to make it more raised? Decent amount of storage down here. Look at all that. Look at all that I could fit. You can still fit some more stuff. Decent amount of room down here. See? Close it. Make sure it locks. And here's the sunshade. Boom. Now, nobody from the outside will be able to know what you got in your trunk. No matter what you got. No one is going to judge you, because no one can see what's back here. So you're all good. I have nothing to hide at the moment. So, I'll leave it open. You press and hold the trunk button. Trunk opens. That's great. That was kind of close. Anyways, you can see the trunk opens. That's great. I love it. Great feature. I use it a lot. Now, if I want to close the trunk, watch this. Here's the trunk. Press and hold. It does nothing. 3-liter turbocharged inline 6, 382 horsepower, 365 pound-feet of torque. Taillights at night look amazing. Beautiful. And of course, the ambient interior lighting. Looks beautiful on a night drive. See back there? Changes multiple colors. Amazing. There's the ambient lighting. And the door looks amazing. Blue and white. Bronze. There's orange. Here's green. My personal favorite is the orange or the blue. Yeah, mostly the blue. And that is my review of the 2020/2021 BMW X3 M40i. That's a mouthful to say. But this, long story short, it's an amazing car, it's an amazing ride, amazing features, and I highly recommend it. You can't recommend it enough. Until next time, like, comment, and subscribe. More videos coming soon.